Hi guys, I'm back for another video, and today we've got some big news. So first of all, we've separated the males and females only in these cages. As you can see here, all of them have been separated, ready for the breeding season. We can't separate these cages, so we've left them like that for now. So yeah. And also, we've got some new baths from Moondown Farm. Just clip onto the side of the cage, just like that. So yeah. So getting ready for the breeding season. And guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.